This is a Ryan Little production.
What's up guys, today I got my order from Cabelas in the mail, so I'm going to do a little unboxing. I think it costs $45 altogether, so let's get started. First thing I got is this spinnerbait box. It's a Plano box. It holds 36 spinnerbaits. Has those dividers that hold the spinnerbaits in there. Thing I got was a Grassmaster jig for pitching. It's black and blue, ½ ounce. Second lure I got was a 3/8 ounce Booyah Colorado blade spinnerbait. It's black with a red eye. Next I have another Booyah spinnerbait. It's the Pond Magic. It's purple and it has 2 blades on it and a bead. Next I got this Strike King Red Eye Shad. I've never had one, but everyone knows they're good, so decided to buy one. The next I have this Lucky Craft Sammy topwater walking bait. It's the 1/28 size. It's a $15 lure that I got for $6. It was on sale when I bought it. Finally I got the Power Bait Swim Shad. They're 5 inches long, I think. 5/8 of an ounce. And shad color. Well guys, that's in the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later. Sorry about the lighting and the sound, it was pretty bad. I'm going to be getting a light and a mic. Hopefully that'll help make the videos inside look a little better. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment. See you later.